Mastering multiplication, estimation made easy. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore a new and exciting topic in our English language journey: multiplication word problems. But we're not just focusing on any part of this topic. We're going to dive into how to use estimation to check our answers. That's right. Today, you're going to learn how to use an easy method to confirm if your answers are on the right track or not. So, let's get started. When we talk about multiplication word problems, we're referring to situations or scenarios where the solution involves multiplying numbers. These problems are phrased in English sentences, making them perfect for both English language learning and math practice. For instance, if there are 5 apples in a basket and James has 3 baskets, how many apples does James have? The answer involves multiplying the numbers 5, apples in a basket, and 3, number of baskets, to get 15. Now, before we delve deeper, let's understand what estimation is. In mathematics, estimation is a quick way of finding an approximate answer. It's a valuable tool because it allows us to check if our answers are reasonable. In the world of word problems, where we work with real-life situations, having reasonable answers is crucial. If you calculate that James has 300 apples when he only has 3 baskets of 5, you know something's gone wrong. That's where estimation comes in handy. So how do we use estimation in multiplication word problems? Simple. Before you calculate the exact answer, round off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, or even thousands, depending on the numbers you're working with. After rounding off, do the multiplication to get an estimated answer. For instance, if the problem is asking for the product of 58 and 3, we can round off 58 to 60, then multiply 60 by 3 to get 180. This is our estimated answer. It tells us that the exact answer should be somewhere around 180. After calculating the exact answer, you can use your estimated answer to check if it's reasonable. Let's take our previous example. If we calculate 58 times 3 exactly, we get 174. Now, compare this to our estimated answer, 180. They're quite close, which indicates our answer is likely correct. But if you calculated the exact answer to be 250 or 300, that's a red flag because it's far off from the estimated answer. And that's it for today, learners. We hope this lesson has helped you understand how to use estimation to check answers in multiplication word problems. Remember, estimation is a valuable tool, not just for mathematics, but also in many aspects of life where quick, approximate answers are needed. Keep practicing with more word problems, and you'll be a pro in no time. Until next time, happy learning!